Behind all that creamy frosting and viral hype, there's something most people never think about. What's actually inside these desserts that make them so addictive? And is it something your body really wants? Let's take a deep look inside Costco's viral desserts, the ones everyone's buying, to uncover what makes them taste so good and what that might be doing to you. Costco desserts have become a cultural phenomenon. Every few months, one of their new bakery items explodes online. People line up to grab them before they're gone. It's not just the low price or the huge portions, it's the flavor. That perfect mix of sweet, creamy, and rich that hits your taste buds in all the right ways. Take the Costco cheesecake. It's thick, smooth, and always picture perfect. Or the chocolate peanut butter pie that sold out in hours because it looked too good to be real. But that irresistible flavor doesn't come from Grandma's secret recipe. It's engineered, designed to make you crave more. Let's start with sugar, lots of it. Costco's desserts often contain more sugar in a single slice than what doctors recommend for an entire day. That's not a random number. Sugar triggers the pleasure center of your brain, the same part linked to reward and addiction. But it's not just sugar doing the work. There are flavor enhancers like natural and artificial flavorings, corn syrup, and fat blends that boost mouthfeel, that creamy texture that makes desserts melt in your mouth. Then comes emulsifiers and stabilizers, ingredients like mono and diglycerides. They make whipped cream stay fluffy for days and prevent the chocolate glaze from cracking. It's what gives Costco desserts that perfect, just-made look even after sitting in the fridge for a week. And when you combine all those ingredients, sugar, fat, flavor enhancers, and additives, you get something that's nearly impossible to resist. It's a recipe designed to keep you coming back for more. But while your tongue loves it, your body might not. When you eat desserts like Costco's layered cakes or creamy pies, your blood sugar spikes fast. That sugar rush gives you instant energy and makes you feel good, for a while. Then your body releases insulin to bring that sugar down, which can leave you tired, cranky, and craving another slice. It's a loop that can slowly affect your metabolism and increase your risk of weight gain, fatigue, and even insulin resistance over time. And it's not just the sugar. Many of these desserts use hydrogenated oils, which contain trans fats. Even small amounts can raise bad cholesterol and lower the good kind. With time, that can affect your heart health in ways most people don't see coming. But the real kicker is this. Most people don't even know how much they're eating. Costco's desserts are massive. A single serving often equals 2 or 3 typical portions. You think you're treating yourself to one slice, but nutritionally, it's more like 3. So if they're loaded with sugar, fats, and additives, why can't people stop buying them? It's simple. They're made to make you happy. Every bite triggers your brain's dopamine system, giving you a mini reward that keeps you hooked. The packaging, the smell, the texture, it's all part of the design. Costco knows this. Their bakery section is placed near the end of the store for a reason. By the time shoppers see those desserts, their cart is already full and their guard is down. It's impulse at its finest. And let's be honest, they do taste good. That's the genius and the problem. If you love Costco desserts, you don't have to swear them off forever. The key is balance and awareness. When you buy them, slice them into smaller portions before storing them. Freeze what you don't need. And pair them with something like plain yogurt or fruit to slow down the sugar hit. Better yet, try baking your own version of their famous treats at home. That way you control the sugar, the fats, and the portion size, without giving up the taste. Costco's viral desserts are more than just treats. They're carefully crafted creations designed to look beautiful, taste perfect, and keep you coming back. But the real question is this. If you knew exactly how those desserts were made, would you still crave them as much?